Today we are going to talk about not one or two music gadgets. We are going to talk about 6 new launches for the music lover that are available on Amazon. Want to know more? So just stay tuned and keep watching. Welcome to today's episode of Tech Shorts, your daily dose of technology. This is the only YouTube channel where you got a lot of information about latest wearable devices like true wireless earphones, smartwatches and many more. Today we are going to talk about a series of earphones launched by Boat brand which are exclusively for Amazon. Boat has launched their series of earphones which includes true wireless earphones, over the ears, wireless headphones, in-ear wireless earphones, wireless speaker, in-ear wired earphones and wireless neckband. If we quickly talk about each device in detail, first in the list we have Addict True Wireless Earphones by Boat. The model number is ETWS01. This true wireless earphones comes up with features like ergonomic design, 8mm audio driver, 380 mAh carrying case which can gives you 14 hours playtime with the case. This also supports Bluetooth 5.0 technology which help your device to pair almost instantly with any other devices. This device also has a voice assistance enabled by Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The price for this device is going to be 1299 only. Second in the list we have wireless headphones. The model number is EWH01. This is over-the-ear headphones which offers you ergonomic design with padded ear cups. And if you are a bass lover, this wireless ear headphones offers you a punchy bass as well. The battery has 3000 mAh capacity which can offer you 10 hours of playtime. For connectivity options, this gives you Bluetooth as well as aux connectivity, so whenever you go out of the power, you can still use the headphones by just attaching the aux cable. And last, this wireless headphones also offer you integrated built-in control with mic. The price of this device is 1299 only. The third in the list, in-ear wireless earphone. The model number is EWE01 which gives you up to 6 hours of playtime. These wireless earphones also equipped with IP water and sweat resistance. For connectivity, this earphone supports dual connectivity which means this single earphones connect with two devices parallelly. You also get Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity and 10mm drivers for better sound quality. The price of this device is 799 only. Before we move forward, we put lot of efforts to create these videos in terms of time and money so that you can save your precious time. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. We also have a giveaway going on for Bolt Pro Pods where you can just have to subscribe the channel and you can win the Bolt True Wireless Earphones. Moving on in the list, we have a wireless speaker. The model number is ESP01. This wireless speaker is lightweight and portable device which has a carry strap as well. If we talk about the sound output, this device has 5 watt sound output. In terms of battery capacity, it offers you 4 hours of playback time and comes up with IP64 water and splash resistance rating. Next feature in this device is true wireless features which can help you this device to seamlessly connect with other wireless speaker as well and gives you a great sound impact. For connectivity option, this device also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and the price for this device is going to be 1099 only. The fifth device in the list is in-ear wired headphone, model number EEP01. This earphones gives you aerodynamic design and offer you multifunctional control with mic. Instant voice assistant, 10mm driver which gives you a great sound output with a lightweight design and perfect length wire. The price of this device is going to be 299 only. Last in the list of Addict series, we have a wireless neckband EWE02. This neckband gives you an easy integrated control with 10mm audio driver for a smooth sound experience. A dual pairing which can help you to connect two devices parallelly and offer you IP64 water and sweat resistance rating for your everyday running or a gym session. The total play time in a single charge offers by this device is 8 hours and the price of this device is going to be only 999. This is for this video guys. If you have any question, you can put in the comment and we'll make sure we'll respond to all your queries. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. This will get us motivated to keep on creating tech updates every day for you. Also click on the bell icon so that you never miss out next tech shot. You can also check out our website techshotblog.com where you can find details about lot of other devices as well. We'll see you in the next tech shot video, same place. Until then, keep watching Tech Shots.